I am from India. I am from village Khasa, which is in Amritsar, Punjab. I always wanted to come to Canada because Canada is a country with diverse cultures. I always wanted to travel and explore new things. I decided to come to Prince George because I found it peaceful town and I thought I would adjust well. I came here in September 2020. COVID was going on during that time. There was not much to do at the campus, but that didn't stop me from getting my college experience. I started doing volunteer work with International Education Department and with the Students' Union. Then I decided to run for elections and I won the seat as a women representative. But it didn't stop me there. I became the treasurer, then I became the chairperson for the Students' Union. I was on the ADCO for some time and then I decided to join the Board of Governors. I believe that students should have a voice. There should be someone who can talk about their rights. I always wanted to be that strong voice for students. When I came from India, I was very shy and I was not that confident. But after joining CNC, I became that new confident girl and I have gained so much skills which I can use throughout my whole life now.